Honey mesquite, Prosopis glandulosa, according to local Indian lore, is the best place to find shade in the desert. This member of the pea family is an important plant in the deserts of the Southwest. It is so important that the desert clans created religious rites for the tree to prosper. One family group counted the year's calendar in the stages of the tree's annual cycle. The best shade idea comes from the feathery leaves of this pea family tree that provides not only shade but good ventilation. The breezes can swirl around the branches so your perspiration can evaporate and yet the sun is blocked out. Your body can relax in comfort in 100-degree or more heat. These trees grow at the mouths of canyons and washes below 3,000 feet elevation. In the Colorado desert, they can be found below sea level. Mesquite likes to have its taproot in water. Many scientists have dug down to find the tip of the root. The record seems to be about 200 feet. Most of the water for the tree seems to come from accumulation at the surface roots that only fill the top 3 feet of soil. However, it has been reported that young mesquite trees grow slowly until their taproot hits the water table. Then they fill out to their full growth potential. A long taproot is the key to the mesquite's drought survival. These trees form little forests, especially along faults, because the cracks give easy access to water. These thickets were part of the desert clan members' property. Different lineage groups would have the rights to seed pod collection in a thicket. In the past, some of the fights between local family groups and tribes were based on poaching, invasion of traditional collection territory, and famine caused by shortages of pods. Sand accumulates around the base of the trees, making mounds can be as high as 10 feet. A good place to see this is in Carrizo Gorge in Anza Borrego State Park. These mounds become a microhabitat that is very friendly to animals. Bird droppings, rabbit pellets, and coyote scat abound under the boughs of these trees. Other plants take advantage of the shade, water, and wind protection to grow on the mounds. Honey mesquite was a stable and critical part of the life of the clans of the desert. We will end this video here, and if you are interested, go to the Nature Bite titled Ethnobotany of Mesquite or Eating Mesquite.